Presenting the new and improved dose calibrator invented by Dr. Stephen Adler at the National Cancer Institute. Unlike the dose calibrators that work best at 10 microcuries or higher, and the well counters that work best at under 1 microcurie, the new Micro-Dose Calibrator possesses a wide detection range, accurately measuring doses as low as 100 nanocuries or as high as 100 microcuries without any loss of reliability. A sample chamber composed of 8 independent scintillation detectors results in significantly improved measurement accuracy. With an array of 3D printed holders, the large sample chamber can accommodate a wide array of sample containers. The optically coupled array of light transducers can be independently calibrated. The photopeak amplitudes for each light transducer can be independently tuned in order to determine optimal operating voltage that matches the photopeak energy and amplitude for a target nuclide. The result is an unbelievable improvement in reproducibility. This dose calibrator is capable of making measurements independent of the sample volume with exceptional volumetric linearity, thus eliminating the need for volumetric corrections. Equipped with a high sample rate digitizer and a highly customizable control software, this new and improved dose calibrator is 2 instruments in one, with significantly improved measurement accuracy, precision, and reliability.
The current application are biodistribution studies, making precision measurements of the injected dose. Future studies that we're looking at involve radio-labeling immune cells or immune cell therapies, and also alpha-based radiotherapies. A micro-dose calibrator would be ideal to make the precision measurements needed for clinical therapies.
U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER. Produced May 2019.